I believe they rate him at 3,000, but I've got two 6Ks. I'm gonna put one per sub.
Oh wow, yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yeah, it don't do hair tricks. It don't
That's
float
all good.
nothing, but it's music.
Could you tell me what else in here real quick and your name?
Yeah, my name is Ryan Collins. I've got two Crossfire XT4 18s, and I've got an XS 6K. I've got an 80 amp hour proto lithium bank, and I'm running on my old JS alternator that I've had for about 6 years. So it's the old style. It's not a hairpin, so the voltage is a little low, but it'll get it done.
Yeah, it's a really big box.
Yeah, 13 and a half huge.
Who built it?
I did.
You did, nice.
Yeah. I threw it in there last night,
Yeah.
so I can do my run tomorrow, get my points. So it's tall enough to still in the wall class. So,
Okay.
but I'm going to build a wall in here. I'll have it built by the end of the winter.
Okay. Sound like a fun project.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
I'm curious to see how the port is. Can I come in? It's about empty. All right. So you went bottom port.
Bottom board.
Okay.
Soft board.
Slot port. Nice. What are the subs rated at?
I believe they rate him at 3,000, but I've got two 6Ks. I'm gonna put one per sub.
Oh wow. Yeah. Got it.
I'm gonna have a bunch of. I'm probably hopefully got enough rides to not have to worry about it.
Yeah.
I'd rather start out with more power, turn it down, and not have enough, and have to get 5 more amps.
Correct. That's true. Yep.
Yeah,
Appreciate it, man.
yeah, not a problem.
What's up, bro? All right. big box.
Yeah, 13 and a half cubes.
Who built it?
I did.
You did, nice.
Yeah. I threw it in there last night
Yeah.
so I can do my run tomorrow and get my points. So it's tall enough to still in the wall class. So,
Okay.
but I'm going to build a wall in here. I'll have it built by the end of the winter.
Okay. Sound like a fun project.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.